If you drink warm milk with ginger, turmeric, and black pepper every night before bed, you may notice several health benefits. Let's first make this healthy bedtime drink. Take 1 cup, or 240 milliliters of warm milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 to 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and a small pinch of black pepper. Mix everything well and enjoy it while it's still warm. One important tip: avoid adding sugar if possible. Cutting back on added sugar is generally healthier.
Sugar breaks down the calcium in milk or stops your body from absorbing it.
If you like a sweeter taste, use only a small amount of honey. First, better sleep. Milk contains small amounts of tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. These compounds help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Warm beverages help you relax. Second, it reduced inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties.
Curcumin isn't absorbed very well on its own, but black pepper contains piperine, which significantly improves its absorption.
Third, ginger has been used for centuries to support better digestion. It may help reduce bloating, relieve gas, improve digestion, and ease nausea. Research also suggests that ginger may help reduce menstrual cramps. Finally, healthier skin. The antioxidants found in turmeric, ginger, and black pepper help protect your body's cells from oxidative stress by supporting overall health.
Remember, this drink isn't a miracle cure. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle.
That includes good sleep,
Regular exercise,
a balanced diet. This is delicious.
And proper hydration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips. And if you'd like more healthy recipes like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.